With the rise in the amount of goods and services in Nigeria today, many people have resorted into taking up loans to foot many bills such as emergency bills, car bills, house bills, etc. And many of them, their salaries can no longer cover any of these things, and that's the reason why they are resorting into taking up loans. So on this video, I'm going to be listing for you loan companies that will give you loans without collateral and also with low interest rate. So on this video, the purpose of this video is that I am narrowing your search from loan companies that will give you money without collateral. Now I'm giving you an added advantage with low interest rate. And these are not just loan companies that will give you money with low interest rates. These are the best loan companies that will give you money in Nigeria without collateral and also with low interest rates. And the reason why I'm bringing out this video is because I made a research, and these loan companies I'm listing for you are one of the most downloaded loan companies in Nigeria today, and they have one of the best reviews so far in Nigeria, and also they have one of the best ratings so far. So don't be scared. These loan companies are not going to be calling your family members to harass you. These loan companies are verified by the FCCPC of Nigeria. So if you're interested in this kind of content, stay tuned and watch this video to the end. The first loan app on our list is Rent Money. And the reason why I'm bringing this to you guys is because Rent Money is one of the most downloaded loan apps in Nigeria, and they have like over 500,000 app download now as of today, and they have over like, let's say, 8,000 plus reviews with a minimum of, they have like 3.3 star ratings. And this app is very popular. As you know, I'm sure you already know about Rent Money by now. These loan companies, they are one of the highest loan they are one of the loan companies that gives the highest loan amount, and they give up to 6 million naira. So one thing about this company is they'll give you a loan of up to 6 million naira, and you have to pay in 730 days. I don't know how that is calculated in weeks, but it is a lot of days. Like, it is a lot. Since we have 365 days in a year, if you multiply 365 by 2, it is over 730, which is 2 years, and it is one of the highest. Most loan companies will give you a loan for 12 months, tops 18 months. This one is 2 years, which is 24 months. They are very good. And the one thing about this app is, if you take a loan for, let's say, 1 million naira, and you pay back this loan in 3 months, your interest rate, the money you're supposed to pay, let's say you're taking a loan of 1 million naira and you're supposed to pay back 1.3 million naira to them. If you pay that loan in 3 months, the money you're going to pay to them should be around, like, it will be reduced to, let's say, 1.1 million or 1.1, like 1.2 million. Like, it will be reduced drastically. So the earlier you pay, the lesser your interest rate. Yes guys, the next loan app on my list is Quick Check. So Quick Check has over 3 million plus app downloads. So if an app is getting downloaded 3 million times, you know that that app is very good. And they have over 200k reviews on Play Store, that's Google Play Store, and they have 1 million plus customers. So one thing about this loan, okay, let's just talk about it. So the first thing you do after you download the app, you fill in the form, their KYC form. Every information they need from you, please give it to them accurately. Don't lie, just give it to them. Then you fix the amount you want, and they calculate your repayment plan. If it is 12 months, it's usually 12 months. As you can see here, it's 12 months. So they will calculate the amount you're going to be paying monthly. For those that are new, then you start paying. And I would advise you guys, once you're taking up loan with any loan company, okay, I get some comments like, oh, some loan companies, I borrowed money and this loan company gave me 500k instead of 2 million. This loan company is not good. It's not that they are not good. It's because your credit score is bad. You're taking up loans from loan companies, you're not paying back on time. Let's say these loan companies now, they give you a payment schedule to pay back your money in 12 months, and you're paying back in 2 years. The next time you want to go and take up loan, I'm sure you're not going to go back to them to take up loan. You would want to go to another company to take up loan, not knowing that your credit score is still going to reflect in that other company you're going to. It is going to affect the money you're going to take. And when they check that your credit score is bad, no loan company would want to give you the amount of money you're waiting for, you're looking for. They will either like risk it and give you a lower amount, because they know that okay, yes, you pay back, but you don't pay back on time. And for those that okay, yes, you take loan from a company, you go to another company and take loan, you don't pay back, it's going to affect your credit score and you will not be able to take up loan again. So once you're taking up loan, always make sure to pay back as at when due. Take up loan that you can be able to pay back. And as a business person, you should be able to take up loan that you can be able to pay back. Not because a company says they have 10 million naira loan to give you, you think you are liable to take 10 million naira. There are criteria involved in getting such an amount, and your credit score is one of them. The money that you get as a business owner or as a salary earner is one of them. So you cannot be earning 200k naira and be hoping to get a loan of 6 million naira. It's not going to work. They will not give you because your salary does not commensurate. So let's we have to I just needed to say that. And this loan company, as you can see, NDPC supported, FCCPC supported, and they have 4.6 star rating. So for a company to have 4.6 star rating, they are good. So if you have any more questions, always go to their contact list and contact them. The last on my list is Branch, and Branch is one of those popular loan apps that it has over like 10 million plus downloads, and it's very popular, you guys. And they will give you loan for up to 500,000 naira, and their loan with repayments term is between 62 days to 1 year, and their interest rate is around 2% to 80%, depending on the risk profile of the customer. Like I said, if you are a bad credit if you have a bad credit score, it's going to affect whatever loan you're going to take in the future. And Branch will give you a loan repayment interest with interest rate that can cut your neck if you have a bad credit score. It's not really bad, but it is just 80%. And the 80% is for those with bad credit score. So their credit score is between 2% to 18%. And if you're getting 2%, that means you have good credit score. You are paying back your loan, viam, viam, viam. And if you're getting 18%, just take it like that too. They are pitying you. That's what I said. If you have taken loan, pay back your loan, because you don't know the emergency that can come up next. So all you have to do is to download the Branch loan app, create your account, apply for the loan that meets your need, and receive the loan. So the fact that they are putting this first step does not mean it's 4 steps. So make sure you read. I get so many questions that I'm like, are these people not listening to me? I always say it on my channel. Do your research. Don't rely on any content creator to give you 90%, 100% of everything. Do your own research. Do your research, because as a content creator, I don't know your need. You might be looking for a loan company that has low interest rates that you can pay in 3 years, or you can pay in so much. Like, your needs vary. So with all the information we are giving to you, always use that to narrow your list down. In case you're looking, now I've given you a loan with low interest rate, cancel the ones that, like, narrow your list down, and you can go from there. I've given you, my previous video was loan with that you can get from companies without a BVN, or BVN might be optional. You can still cross out some of these things in case you're still like scared about putting your BVN on any of these loan companies. So that's it, guys. That's everything with this video. If you have watched this point, let me know what you think about these apps that I have listed out, and maybe some of them may disappoint you. Let me know about the disappointing thing that you gotten from any of this app, and I will do my own research and bring it forward to you guys on what I've learned. So thank you guys so much, and have a nice day. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share, and let me know what you think about it. Bye.